Fida, FIDA from Pandawa Water Sports. This is our program. We have so many activity here. We have parasailing, banana boat, and then also jet ski, fly fish, big marble, and everything. We have complete game here. Thank you.
Yeah, so make sure you guys check them out. A lot of activities and they have a lot of fun here.
Hey guys, just come to Bali. Alright, thank you.
Thank you. So they're assisting me, getting me all set up, sorted out with the jet ski. Been amazing, phenomenal service so far. What's up guys, we just did jet skis right now. We're just kind of parked up in the middle of the ocean, just kind of enjoying the view. That's what Bali's known for, is the absolute stunning views. On my left here you can see Mount Agung in the horizon, so you got beautiful volcano views here. Anda giving us a wicked tour, and he's got something to say for you guys.
Join us in Bali, Pandawa Water Sports.
Hey, yes, make sure you guys book with Pandawa. They're one of the top tour operators here for the water sports here in Bali, and honestly I've had nothing but an incredible experience. Right now we're going on parasailing, getting on the boat right here. First time I'm actually doing parasailing ever, any tropical trip I've ever been on, so this is gonna be very exciting. Holy, this is crazy, guys. I feel like I'm on top of the world. Wow, this is beautiful, guys. Oh, shit! Yeah. Fucking dusty. Yeah. They actually put me in the water, they made me splash. I didn't want to get wet, and they just played a prank on me. And over here, here's our little escort boat. This is the first ever parasailing adventure that I've ever been on. I've been to a lot of places, Dominican, Jamaica, Mexico, and I've always wanted to do it. It's just never worked out. The view you get, the pristine blue water, you can see the way the water kind of changes in the sky. And I was seeing Mount Agung from the background right there, and it was so clear because I'm so high up.